Hi Kipsters. Today's passage is called Robin Hood, His Life and Legend. This is a great example of a passage where the italicized directions or introduction at the top are really helpful to figuring out your character problem solution and lesson learned. So this is kind of like a folk tale or legend. So we need the fiction, CPSLL, at the top. And we're just going to read through the italicized part to see how much of our thinking job we can figure out just from that little bit. It really sets us up nicely to read the rest of the passage and know exactly what we're looking for. So here we go. Sorry, it doesn't all fit on the screen. I can try to finagle it a little bit. All right. Robin Hood is a legendary English hero who lived in a forest with his band of fellow outlaws. In most stories, Robin Hood defeats his opponents with his clever wit and superior skills in archery and sword fighting. However, one meeting between Robin and a disguised Marian has a surprising outcome. So, these directions or introduction tell us that usually, in most cases, he defeats his opponents or like enemies with his wit and skills. However, one meeting between Robin and a disguised Marian has a surprise outcome. So if you see this word however or but, that's usually indicating that something is different. And usually, when something is different, it can cause problems. I'm also seeing that this person he's encountered, this opponent or enemy or foe, is disguised. That also clues me in that this could be some kind of problem. Like this person is going to cause a problem. And it's going to have a surprising outcome, meaning something unexpected happens. So right away I know Robin is one of the characters. So I'm going to cloud in Robin. And I also know that there's a disguised Marian. Marian is like to describe a place from, or to describe a person from this place. So this is the other character, a disguised person from Marian. So now when I start reading this passage, I already know what's going to happen. Robin Hood is going to encounter a disguised person, and it's going to have some kind of surprising outcome where he might not be using his wit or his skills in archery and sword fighting. So now that we have read these italicized lines of introduction, we're setting ourselves up for a much better understanding of the text.